Hey, it's Nina, and I'm going to show you how to play this song, Here As in Heaven. It's such a beautiful song. Can't believe I haven't made it before. So this song is going to be in the key of D. The reason why that's important is because if you ever want to improvise, any note that you press in the key of D will sound great. So there's two black keys in this key, and all the rest of the notes are white. You could really play around and get creative if you know the song key. Anyway, so key of D, and the chords are G, and then you have a D, and then A. So I'm sure you're kind of listening to the melody. Da, 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 da. So you can play this in any pattern that you want. You can play it with whatever you feel comfortable. Yeah, let me show you how I would play the introduction. So I'd play the G, and then instead of playing the D chord up here, I'm actually going to play this A down here to be closer to my A chord and my G chord. So this is how I'm going to be playing the D chord in this song. All right, so I would play the introduction with just playing G, D, A. A few connecting notes of E and F sharp, D, so this is just the introduction. The atmosphere is changing now, for the Spirit of the Lord is here. The evidence is all around that the Spirit of the Lord is here. Now you can keep singing this over and over again. It's a bit too high for my liking, but I decided to do the original key, so my voice sounds a little high for here. And then after you're done singing this verse as many times as you like, you can get into the chorus. And once you end off the verse with "is here," you can go into the chorus. And the chords for the chorus are G, B minor, A. So just a tad bit different. So I'm going to finish off the verse. Spirit of the Lord is here. Then G. Overflow in this place. Fill our hearts with your love. Your love surrounds us. G. You're the reason we came to encounter your love. Your love surrounds us. So what you play next really depends where you want to go. Do you want to keep repeating the chorus, the verse? So if you want to keep repeating the verse, you can kind of go back to that G. And then you can do the verse. The atmosphere is changing now. So it really depends where you want to go. After the chorus, though, you could totally go straight into the bridge. So you end off with the A. So let's do. We came to encounter your love. Your love surrounds us. Da 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 da. Now why I'm singing this in my head is to kind of help keep up with that count. Now you notice the chords that I'm going to are the bridge chords. So directly after the chorus, holding out the G. And then you go back to A. Again, the chords for the bridge are G, da 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 da, and then it's A, da da, and then B minor, and then back to A. So G A, B minor A. Da 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 da. Now you can choose to play that melody. So you can play that out if you want. And then you just start singing it out. And literally these chords are so simple. Spirit of God, fall fresh on us. We need your presence. Your kingdom come, your will be done here as in heaven. Spirit. And then you can repeat this as many times as you want. Obviously this song key is not perfect for my voice. I think it's led by a male singer. Such a beautiful bridge. Like, I would just spend a long time on this bridge. And then after you're done with that, you can really go anywhere. But the final verse actually is it's like starts with a G. A miracle can happen now. So what I want you to notice is that we start with the just G, miracle, and then you play D with your left hand, with your right hand, and then an E, A with your left hand. It's a slash chord. Happen now. And then when we go back to this G, we're actually going to play another slash chord, and with the left hand, we're going to hit on that B. That's so beautiful. For the Spirit of the Lord is here. And you go back to the G. The evidence is all around that the Spirit of the Lord is here. A miracle can happen now. For the Spirit of the Lord is here. Anyway, so that last verse, it's a little unique because it has a bit of slash chords. Let me know, do you play slash chords? Are these confusing for you? I'd love to hear your feedback. I love mixing in slash chords into songs because they just sound so beautiful. Anyway, so that's kind of how you end the song, with this final verse. And you can, of course, go to the bridge again or to the chorus. The song is so open-ended, but that's it. I hope you enjoy playing it, and most of all, enjoy the presence of the Lord. Yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.